do you know what we're making today?
We're gonna make hot pepper.
And this is the recipe that I got from my aunt in Toronto, Zia Cheryl, and we're going to go off her recipe. She did it on episode number 15 of Nonna Paolone making eggplant antipasto, and so she taught us this quick way of doing it. And these are everything that you're going to need. You're going to need, most importantly, gloves. You don't want to touch these red hot chili peppers without using these gloves. Then this is a 2-part, so this is part 1 of day 1. So the red hot chili pepper, then you're going to need vinegar and salt. That's all you're going to need for today. And also this. If you don't have this, you can use it with scissors. On the video, Zia Cheryl uses it with her hands, but that's a lot of work. So we're going to do it the shortcut way using one of these. Okay, so let's wash these first. We like the red Thai chili peppers, and I get these from the Asian store. So this is where I got mine today. Or you can grow them. We used to grow these too, which are fun. And you can find the red chili peppers at the Home Depot. They sell them there, the plants. So plant these and grow them yourself. It's so much fun. Okay, Nonna, can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm gonna clean. I clean.
And you take the what off?
The stem.
The stem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're going to use a scissor?
Maybe.
Okay.
Some comes right, some not. See?
Okay. I'm going to help you. And look, she's got her gloves on, so make sure you have gloves. Oh, we should tell them about this. I'm currently doing chemo for stage 4 pancreatic cancer. I was diagnosed over 4 years ago, so I'm very lucky to still be here, but I have to do chemo. So this is, I did chemo on Tuesday, which was yesterday, and after I finish chemo, I take this little bag with me, and I keep it on for 48 hours, and then tomorrow they're going to take it out. So yeah, so see what you can do while going through chemo. There, Ma, why are you putting a mask on?
Because it smells like I'm gonna choke myself.
Yeah, she's already starting to cough. Okay, I think that's enough, Ma. Ooh, perfect. Ooh. When you go close and you get that reaction, you know it's good. Look, Nonna, it's okay. You're still alive. Oh, look. No wants to help us. Did you come to save us?
What are doing those ladies? Yeah.
We're making the red hot chili pepper oil.
Wow.
Woodbridge style.
Who cut all those things there?
Daddy, get close. Let me see if you get the reaction. Breathe. The breath test.
It's okay.
Can you smell it?
That's it.
Yeah.
But who cut it so thin?
We did. With the machine, you can either use the scissors or yeah, we did the shortcut version. I'm going to put the vinegar in, Ma. You want to see the way I do?
Me, lo te hago bring. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, it's good. And how much salt do you think? This one's open.
You want me to pour it?
That's
More,
good.
more. See, I tell back more.
That's good. Look.
Yeah, I think it's more.
And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it in the laundry room because we don't want to smell this in the kitchen.
Primo.
I'm gonna go bring this into the laundry room. We're going to cover it for about 24 hours, and then tomorrow we're gonna put it in these little jars, sorry, with canola oil. That's tomorrow. Day 2, Ma, you gonna do it or am I gonna do it? I'll put it in, you put the oil. So all you do in day 2 is get your little jars and you just put your gloves on. Nonna's got her mask on because,
I'm gonna choke.
you can smell the heat. Or not, so you just go like this, squeeze it a little bit, like we saw here in my Zia Cheryl doing it. So much, she just takes it with her hands like that. Add the hot peppers.
I'm not gonna squeeze them, I'm just gonna strain them.
Yeah, strain them a little bit.
And I'm gonna put oil.
Oh, that's it. Não te meti
Yeah.
ainda nem.
No.
They have to have them awake, eh?
Now fill it up with oil. Make yourself useful, Nonna. And these are nice gifts to give to people. Like if you go to somebody's house, that's why I always loved it, but they love this. After you're done, you just stick it in the fridge. Oh. And we use canola oil because with olive oil, when you put it in the fridge, it hardens. So with this one, it's just, it doesn't. So here they are. Look how pretty.
You see, you have to be all covered.
Covered with oil. Make sure it's all covered with oil. So just cover them up, put them in the fridge, and in about a week or 2, it's going to be nice and hot. Enjoy. Make sure you cover them tightly. Oh.
That's it.
That's it. You mark the year 2023.